Wildfire prevention is always a big topic in the spring and summertime, but sometimes it's forgotten about in the winter. But this year, with the lack of snow, our Justin Prince tells us it's something that should burn brightly on everyone's minds.
Along with winter come the normal dangers of slipping and falling, along with others as well. But with the lack of snow, members of the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources are warning about another danger.
The lack of snow we have right now, of course, is kind of disturbing to all of us, or concerning. With the lack of moisture in the fuel itself, given the right conditions, it definitely will burn. It doesn't matter if it's January or April.
Grass and other vegetation have gone dormant for the winter and are therefore more likely to catch fire under the right circumstances, which is why the DNR is taking precautions to ensure no fire gets out of control.
People aren't thinking fire conditions right now, so we do ask that they be cautious with it. Burning permits are required whenever there's no snow on the ground. If there's less than 3 inches, a burning permit is required. So we're still allowing burning, but folks just need to, get their permits and follow the conditions of it.
But while the Minnesota DNR is already emphasizing fire safety for the upcoming months, Camp Ripley is already starting some of their controlled burns.
We burn for two reasons. We burn for ecological reasons, which are training related, and we also burn for hazard reduction because as we train out here for the summer, soldiers are going to use training areas, they're going to shoot into the impact areas, and these are our areas of high probability for wildfire.
With a full slate of training courses scheduled for the spring, Camp Ripley is trying to do whatever they can to stay ahead of schedule.
Our training season is going to start on May 15th, which is probably 3 weeks earlier than normal, and our burn window every year falls in that May to early June time frame. So we wanted to get a head start on things while we had some conditions that may be favorable for burning.
While the conditions need to be just right at this time of the year, they say any little bit of burning now helps. Justin Prince, Lakeland News.
The DNR does not anticipate the unusual weather to affect normal brush and other control burning in the spring.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.